Unit 4, Vocabulary, Part 3. My, your, no, not, and none. Still alive. Still alive. Old age. Dead. Passed away, gone. In the future, will. Want. Don't want. The oldest. Oldest. Youngest. Youngest. The middle. The two of you with a K. Two of us. We get along. We don't get along. Wedding. Birthday. Anniversary with X's or with pinchers. Anniversary. Family reunion. Family reunion. Christmas. Christmas with a C. Christmas. Hanukkah. Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving. Vacation with fives. Vacation. Graduate with a G. Graduate. Beautiful ends with a modified O. Beautiful. Handsome. Share a resemblance. Looks young. Looks different than before, or looks different. Has looked the same. You, old, or you age what?